Hey there, if you're a sales leader, you know the real pipeline challenge isn't just the size, it's knowing what's real and what's just noise. Let me show you something that'll completely change how you see your deals. This is Pipeline Intelligence Inside Discovery Copilot by Pepsales AI. What you're seeing here is more than just a pipeline, it's clarity. Every bar represents a deal, and each one's scored using the MEDPIC framework. You can instantly spot high-scoring opportunities, and the ones that are stuck. Like here, the score steadily improves as blockers get clarified over time. Pepsales doesn't just show blockers, it flags hidden risks too. In this view, you can instantly spot issues like missing decision makers, no-shows, or weak multi-threading. Let's take Nexora Inc. as an example. You get clear, step-by-step coaching tips, like what questions to ask to uncover the decision maker, or how to follow up with buyers who've gone silent. Pepsales gives your team a clear picture of what's wrong, so they can course correct fast and close stronger. But here's where it gets even better. With Pepsales, every score comes with context you can act on. Take metrics, it's not just a score of 3 out of 3. You see why. The buyer shared specific KPIs and forecast targets, making their pain points measurable and clear. Next is the economic buyer. Here, the tool confirms the representative identified the decision maker, in this case, John, who holds the budget authority. No guesswork, just clear visibility. Even decision criteria is decoded. You'll know if the buyer discussed how they'll evaluate solutions, or if you're flying blind. Pepsales breaks down each MEDPIC element like this, so you can coach with precision and close with confidence. And if you want to understand what's slowing a deal down, just open the blockers tab. For this deal, Pepsales clearly flags the blockers: tight budget and unclear decision authority. Both surface directly from the conversation, no digging required. Reps instantly know what's stalling progress and where to focus next. With pipeline intelligence, you're not flying blind. You're spotting risk early, coaching better, and closing with confidence. Ready to turn your pipeline into real revenue? Let Pepsales AI be your guide. Thank you for watching.